Want to sign up for LinkedIn without using your personal number? In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn account with a virtual number from sms-man.com. It's quick, easy, and keeps your privacy intact. Getting started with SMS-Man is simple. Here's how it works. Go to sms-man.com and sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Confirm your account through the email sent to you. Once that's done, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click on the Top Up button to add funds to your account. SMS-Man offers multiple top-up options, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Now choose the service you need the virtual number for, whether it's LinkedIn or another platform. Pick the country you want your number to be from. Click on the Buy SMS button to purchase the virtual number. Once your purchase is complete, you'll see the number appear under the History tab in your dashboard. Next, head over to the Play Store or App Store and download the LinkedIn app. Once installed, open it and start the registration process. Now, go back to your SMS-Man dashboard, copy the virtual number you purchased, and paste it into the Tinder registration page. Click the Receive SMS button, and within seconds, you'll receive the verification code right on your SMS-Man dashboard. Simply copy the code and paste it into LinkedIn to complete the verification. There you go. Your linked account is created, and you're all set to use it. SMS-Man simplifies the process of obtaining a phone number with its smooth, fully automated service. Their customer support team is ready to help whenever necessary. Offering a perfect blend of speed, security, and cost-effectiveness, SMS-Man is the go-to solution. Begin your experience today. SMS-Man, the smart choice for fast, secure, and cost-effective solutions.